Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to just land on my summary 5, lecture number 5 of the chapter Standing Up for Yourself. So summary number 5 or the lecture number 5. So the writer came out to challenge Red and his troop. So this time the writer was both physically and also mentally fit, so upkeep his challenge to face the Red and his gangs. At the time, Red was playing a card game with his lieutenants. So at the time, Red was so much immersed just with her, just with his friends playing the a kind of card games. से समय रेड पूरा बिजी थला कार्ड गेम खेलुला गोटे प्रकार ए काइंड ऑफ कार्ड गेम्स ताश खेल बिजी थला. I think he did not notice the sudden arrival of the writer at the time, at the nick of time. So that's why he was so much dedicated to his playing of card games with his teammates. So that's why he did not anticipate the arrival of the writer. So during the time of playing the card games, so he was fully absorbed in the game. Fully absorbed means he was comprehensively or out and out, he was just immersed in that games, deeply involved in playing the card games with his gangsters. ତା ଚେଲାମାନଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଏଡ଼୍ ବସି ତାସ୍ ଖେଳୁଥିଲା. ସେହି ସମୟରେ ସଡନ୍ ଆରାଇଭାଲ୍ ହେଇଗଲା କାହାର ନା ରାଇଟରଙ୍କର, ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି. So he could not see the arrival of the writer, because he could not see means he could not that smell out the arrival of the writer during the time, at the nick of time, because even if he could not anticipate the sudden and the diurnal arrival of the writer during that time. ସେ କେବେଳେ ମାନେ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିପେଟ୍ ଅନୁମାନ ଲଗେଇ ନଥିଲି ଯେ ରାଇଟର ଏମିତି ସଡନ୍ ହଠାତ୍ ଆସିକିରି ପହଞ୍ଚିବେ ଖେଳିବା ସମୟରେ. So in the meantime, the writer came straight to them. So during the time, so within the no framework of the time, within no time, the writer could arrive just on the spot very rapidly or suddenly. बहुत फास्ट राइटर सीट पहुँच गले, and the writer also went very fast to them. Means the writer approaching very straight way just to the Red and his gangs just involved in playing a card game. ସେମାନେ ସିଧା ସଳଖ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଗଲେ and kicked and also scattered the cards. And kicked means just kicked the gangs and the Red, and also scattered the cards also here and there, helter and skelter. Card would have so we had said so फोपाड़ देले very wildly, and also scattered just here and there. So we had said card would have फोपाड़ देले. So the Red raised his head and seeing the writer's impudence was astonished. So during the time when just the Red also noticed that the arrival of the writer during that unknown time, because the unanticipated time, then he was so much surprised and panicked also, and he was also so much means so much confused also during the time, because completely bewilderment to the Red and his gangs. रेडी बहुत आश्चर्य ହେଇଗଲେ ଯେ ସଡନ୍ ଆରାଇଭାଲ୍ ହେଇଗଲା କାହାର ନା ରାଇଟରଙ୍କର ସେ ସମୟରେ. କାହିଁକି ନା ଜଣକୁ ସେ ଅଧା ମରା କରିକି ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଥିଲେ, ପୁଣି ଏମିତି ଜଣେ ସଡନ୍ ଆସିକିରି କିଓର ହେଇକିରି ପୁରା, ବିକଜ instilling lots of confidence, ocean of confidence, and also daringness, and also taking the revengeful acts upon the that is called the gangs and also the Red. ଏମିତି ସଡ଼ା ହାତ ମାନେ ଆଟାକ୍ କରିବେ ବୋଲି ସେ କେବେ ଅନୁମାନ କରିନଥିଲେ. ଜଣକୁ ଅଧା ଧରା ମାରିକି ଛାଡ଼ିଥିଲେ, ଯେମିତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ରେଜିଷ୍ଟିଂ ନେବ, ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରତିଶୋଧ ନେବ, ସେ କେବେ ଏମିତି ଆଶା ବି କରିନଥିଲେ. And also he could not also that is surmise how to defeat. So he could not surmise how a defeated boy dared to challenge his authority, because the writer was just a defeated army, just a defeated boy, because who was defeated by the Red and his gangs, and also given very risky, very high-handed just strike just with his knuckle duster. Knuckle duster भुजाले आक्रमण करथिला, अधा दरमारा कर दे राइटर को. So that's why I think here also the Red and also his gangs, they could not understand about the how much just the confidence and daringness, just out courageousness of the writer. and or sudden attack on them and so scattering the card also helter and skelter in sudden attack କରି ସେ ନିଜକୁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନଥିଲେ ଇଜ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ରିଅଲିଟି ଅର୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଡ୍ରିମ୍ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ରିଅଲିଟି ନା ଗୋଟେ ଡ୍ରିମ୍ ଥିଲା ବାସ୍ତବ ନା ଗୋଟେ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅବାସ୍ତବ ବା ଗୋଟେ ସତ୍ୟ ନା ଗୋଟେ ମିଥ୍ୟା କ'ଣ ସେ କିଛି ନିଜକୁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନଥିଲେ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ତାଙ୍କ ଅଥରିଟିକୁ ସେ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିବ ବୋଲି ବିକଜ even if also the here also the Red also could not believe that the writer also just do such kind of also sudden attack, sudden assault on him. So it is quite unexpected also the resistance from the writer at the time. So Red stood very angrily and also Red stood angrily and said menacingly, just you need more. So Red stood angrily and said menacingly, you need more, because Red was completely just furious that time, completely just outraged during the times. Then he also stood very fast and demanding that in a thundering voice, you need more attacks, you need more strikings from the knuckle duster. କହିଲେ ତୁ ଆହୁରି ଚାହୁଁଛୁ କି ତୋତେ ମୁଁ ଆହୁରି ପ୍ରହାର କରେ କାହାକୁ ନା ରାଇଟର କହୁଛନ୍ତି because Red was completely just furious and also outrageous during the time. So as he tried to draw out of the knuckle duster, so the writer sprang upon him. ସେ ତା ନକଲ ଡଷ୍ଟରକୁ ପକେଟରେ ହାତ ପୁରେଇ ବାହାର କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ରାଇଟର କ'ଣ କଲେ ତା ଉପରେ ଝାମ୍ପି ପଡ଼ିଲେ ବିକଜ ଜଷ୍ଟ ହି କୁଡ୍ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଡାଇଭ୍ ହିଜ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଇନ୍ ଟୁ ଦି ପକେଟ୍ ଟୁ ବ୍ରିଙ୍ଗ ଆଉଟ୍ ଦି ନକଲ ଡଷ୍ଟର. So within no span of the time, within the no times, then also the writer very fast sprang upon the Red and also giving a sudden assault or sudden blow. ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ଆଘାତ ଲଗାଇଲେ, ବହୁତ ଶକ୍ତ ଆଘାତ ଦେଲେ, ତାପରକୁ ଝାମ୍ପି ପଡ଼ିଲେ ଏବଂ Red because Red could not get any chance to also draw out the knuckle duster from his pocket. ତେଣୁ ଭୁଜାଲିକି ବାହାର କରିବାକୁ ତା ଚାନ୍ସ ହିଁ ପାଇଲାନି. So Red was not prepared for such an unexpected attack. He fell down because Red could not also anticipate, surmise also very sudden attack from the writer. And again also then during the time that he fell down on the ground ଏବଂ ତଳେ ପୁରା କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ପୁରା ଗଡ଼ିଲେ, ତଳେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲେ କେଉଁଠି ନା ନା ଯେତେବେଳେ ରାଇଟର ତାଙ୍କ ଉପରକୁ ସ୍ପ୍ରାଙ୍ଗ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ଝାମ୍ପି ପଡ଼ିଛନ୍ତି, ସୋ ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ନା ପୁରା Red ତଳେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲେ, ହି ଫେଲ୍ ଡାଉନ୍. So the time also the Red looked furious and Red also looking very red with furious, very attacking mood, just like a maddening bull during the time, very attacking mood. Red was so furious and also very angry mood, very attacking mood, ବହୁତ ରାଗିଗଲା, like a maddened bull, ଗୋଟେ ଯେମିତି ପାଗଳ ଷଣ୍ଢ ପରି ପୁରା ତାଙ୍କ ରାଇଟରଙ୍କ ଆଡ଼କୁ ପୁରା ମାଡ଼ି ଆସିଲା ଭୟଙ୍କର ରାଗରେ. ଏଠି maddened bull means just like a bull has lost his consciousness and also his also the consciousness and conscience and has become so much maddened. Maddened means during time you cannot judge one's witness or the power of judgment during the time. So he also rushed towards the writer, but during the time writer caught his wrist and squeezed it slowly. So during the time writer also just caught his wrist, ତା ହାତକୁ ଧରି ନେଲେ ବହୁତ and also just squeezed very slowly. Squeezed means compressed, pressed his wrists very slowly, ତା ହାତକୁ ମୋଡ଼ିଦେଲେ writer because the writer was also I think before also he was just very ready just to anticipate the attack from the Red. କାରଣ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ଯେ Red ନିଶ୍ଚୟ attack କରିବ. So before that he was also allowed ready just any attacks from the Red. So that's why just he squeezed hand ତା ହାତକୁ ମୋଡ଼ିଦେଲେ and also took his wrist by just catching ଏବଂ ତା wristଟାକୁ ଧରିନେଲେ, ହାତଟା ମୋଡ଼ିଦେଲେ. ଆଚ୍ଛା, ତାପରେ the knuckle duster just fell off the hand. ତାପରେ ଭୁଜାଲିଟା ହାତରୁ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା ରାଇଟରଙ୍କର because knuckle duster are falling down on the ground and also he fell down like an uprooted tree. Uprooted tree means suppose when the cyclone storms or the wind speed is also extremely high during time also tree falls down and making very huge sound, just like that is called very uprooted tree. ଗଛଟି ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ମାଟିରୁ ଉପୁଡ଼ି ଗଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଥଣ୍ଡରିଂ ଗୋଟେ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ବହୁତ ବିରାଟ ବଡ଼ ଜାଗେଣ୍ଟିକ୍ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରେ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼, ସେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ରାଇଟର ଯେତେବେଳେ ହିୟର ଯେତେବେଳେ Red ତଳେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ଗୋଟେ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଗୋଟେ ଶୁଭିଲା. It means he was so much frightful and he was so much shocking, very much also annoyance, and he was also frame of very much angry mood, attacking mood just to take revenge upon the writer. ବହୁତ ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ ଉପୁଡ଼ିଲା ଭଳି ତଳେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲେ. Nursing his hand also or began weeping and smearing tears. During time nursing his hand, ହାତଟିକୁ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆଉଁଶୁଥିଲେ କି ନା ରେଡ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଅଲସୋ ୱିପିଂ କାନ୍ଦୁ ବି ଥିଲେ ଆଉ ସ୍ମିୟରିଂ ଟିୟର୍ସ ମିନ୍ସ ୱାଇପିଂ ଆଉଟ୍ ଦି ଟିୟର୍ସ ଲୁହ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଆଖିରୁ ପୋଛୁଥିଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ so and also the writer became also here so the writer became here and the red used to be the monarch of the street so from that time so here the red got the lesson that any superior man any powerful man so one day the writer would take such revengeful steps revengeful acts the rigorous attacks just very severe attacks from the writer he could not also expect or anticipate about that so from that time then also the glory or the fame of the red as a notorious so now it is also being stopped since that day ସେ ଦିନଠାରୁ ତାଙ୍କର ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲା ବିକଜ ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଥିଲେ ରୋଡ଼ର ଜଣେ ସମ୍ରାଟ ଜଣେ ମୋନାର୍କ ଥିଲେ ସେଇ ଦିନଠାରୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଅଥରିଟି ଯେଉଁ ପାୱାର ସବୁ ବିକଜ every aspect elements of his life also began to be caged or stopped within no time and he could no more the ruler of the street or the that is the samrat of the street or he could not no more be also the monarch of the street so since that time all his glory is also just burnt out just like in a flame ସବୁ କିଛି ମିଳିଗଲା ସେଇ ଦିନଠାରୁ so thank you all and bye to all